Everybody knows that London is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Yet, London is massive. It has so much to offer that may be overwhelming. Plan your time wisely and you will cover the best and the most iconic sites of the city at a short time. In this video, we will explore the main attractions of the City of Westminster, also known as Central London. Within just a couple of hours, you can visit such famous landmarks as Trafalgar Square, St. James Park, Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, and Westminster Abbey. That sounds good, right?
Trafalgar Square probably is the most famous square in the world. Many people come here, chill, have drinks, snacks, catch up with friends. On some days, there are different events are being held, including St. Patrick's Day, Russian Pancake Day, and many others. Trafalgar Square located right in the city center. From here, we will go to our next point of interest. Short walk from Trafalgar Square, go under Admiralty Arch and you will be in Pall Mall, St. James Park on your left and another huge column on your right. Granite column and bronze statue on the top of it. Once you're gonna be on Pall Mall, you will be going towards Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. On the left side there will be St. James Park, very beautiful and the oldest royal park in the UK. Buckingham Palace was once the house of Duke of Birmingham and now it's the official residence of the Queen Elizabeth. And when there is a flag on top of the palace, it means the Queen is inside. It's pretty chill here, I love it so much, and I love the fact that there are not many tourists. That means this place is not crowded, normally it's quite packed. Another interesting thing to notice is the white marble statue of Queen Victoria in gold and facing Pall Mall. Beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next location. That is the most iconic part of London, the Big Ben. Wow. You can't really see much of it because it's under construction. After Buckingham Palace, come to Parliament Square. Pretend that you can see Big Ben, you can see Westminster Abbey, just a little bit, and just feel the vibe. Pretty cool atmosphere, I quite like it. Super short and sweet walk have been completed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment what you would like to see in my next video. Thanks for watching.